There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in billet silver. With bi-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 2,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track system, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5938.